To this very short demonstration of how quickly you can create an email newsletter for your database as an insurance or mortgage advisor. So where we are right now is we're on the picker page. Now what this picker page does is allows you to see a calendar of all of the newsletters you've sent out, the campaigns you've set up, and it allows you to then pick the future campaigns as well. This is great to keep a track of what you've actually been sending your database, and it makes it very quick to make a decision on what you actually want to send next. So on this page, you'd decide what campaign you want to do next, which would be August, and we're going to click on Choose Campaign. Now you're going to be able to demonstrate this through our tool and get a free demo of the newsletter editor to create your first newsletter without spending a penny. We want you to try the experience, just see how amazing and easy it is so that you can use it in your business. So the first thing you do is you select a video. So there's a bunch of different campaigns that are available, from birthday videos all the way through to underwriting, through to, there's just everything you can imagine. Have a little watch of all of them and you'll get a great feel. We're going to pick key person. We're going to pick a business topic for this newsletter. Now by clicking on this, it automatically pulls in all of the initial branding that you set up when you first join us, and it adds the campaign in down the bottom here. So you've got your video, we've preloaded some base text that you're able to adjust on the right if you chose to, as well as an entry point. So what we want to do with this entry point or this introduction is we want you to be able to easily do this, because when you stare at a blank page, it can be really challenging to start writing unless you've got something in mind. So what we've done is we've actually written a bunch of different introduction templates to kick you off. So we can pick absolutely any of these. So school holidays could be the first one. It'll automatically draw in the actual month. So say this is being sent in August and you've decided that, it'll add that into the text. So we hope you're having an excellent August. So you can actually you'd have to make sure these are in the right time zones, but you can make an adjustment to say summer. We could say, let's say spring, just for example, or autumn. You could change this to whatever you dreamed of. You could add your own text in, add an extra enter or two if you chose to. You can adjust this to match your brand very easily. So if you've got a new staff member starting, you can add that in. If you want to promote something else, you can add that in also. So once you've done that and you've made any edits to this text here, you might want to add an extra space, for example, or not, or whatever you choose to do. In here, so that'll automatically show up down the bottom here, which is awesome. So you can actually view everything without checking it anywhere else. All you have to do is click Approve and Schedule. Now what this is going to do is it's automatically going to generate this template inside MailChimp. So it's as easy as scheduling it and sending it to your list, which takes 2 minutes once you've used MailChimp. And we can even help you with that. For our premium customers, we do all the scheduling, the reporting, the works. It takes it all off your hands. And that's as easy as it is. You can create all 12 newsletters for the year in a very short period of time. So make sure you jump in, try the demo on our homepage, and actually have a play for yourself. See what your newsletter could look like. You're able to select your header, the works, all through our system and get a good feel for it. Hope you've enjoyed that. And just one last thing I'll show you is when someone does click through onto your video, what it actually looks like, and this is a slightly different video, but it's the same concept, is you actually get a landing page for each and every video. So this is for Have You Found Your Money Machine, which is a great video. It's got a lot of great ways of explaining income protection. So your landing page will look something like this. It'll actually have a call to action. It'll have a click to call phone number. It'll have the video that can
Imagine
play
if you had a machine that just printed money.
Beautifully there, and it actually draws leads. So have a little look at that. It looks really neat, doesn't it? If you've got any questions at all, just ask the team, but this is what it's going to look like for you. Have a great rest of your day.